This is without denoising. You can see all the noises. And now we'll see with the noise on. Let's see optics. Though this is not a big scene, so it's not that laggy, but you can feel the low FPS. Now we'll see DLSS. See? There's no lag. Now it's on DLAA. It means the highest quality. If we lower it to balance, it become more faster. Okay, so now let's see a heavier scene. Let's see how this looks without the noise. Yeah, it takes time to render. Now let's check with open image denoise. Better, but still laggy. Now let's choose DLSS. And you can see the magic. There's no lag. If you play with the cursor, you can feel the FPS. It can be even more faster if you check ultra performance. Like it's more faster. It feels like 60 FPS. Even more. But the quality drops. So this is the link of Twitter. Just click the link and you will find this. A guy named Pablo Miranda have given you the file of the Blender 5.0 alpha. I'm hoping this is safe, but try at your own risk. So this will send to a mega link where you can download the Blender compiled version with DLSS. Just click on download. After you download the file, just unzip it. Extract all. So after unzipping the file, it becomes 1 GB file. Let's go click releases, and you can see a Blender launcher. Before using this Blender version, you must update your NVIDIA driver. Just go on drivers and update if there's available, because I tried with outdated version and it didn't work. So just update it and just open. It might give an warning, so run anyway. Like it's not an official version, so try this at your own risk. The Blender version is 5.1 and he named it alpha. So let's see if we have the denoise option or not. DLSS. Let's choose cycles. It only works on viewport because it decreases quality and generate AI frames to make you to give you a faster result. So this only works in viewport. It doesn't make sense to give in render view because it drops quality and we don't want that. We can just open our file. Before we open any file, just go to edit preferences, save and load, and just uncheck this auto run Python script. So you can try, you can install, and let me know in the comment section what do you feel about this. Also let me know if you face any problems. I'll try to solve it.